Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial episode on Jareke Tech. Now in this video, I'll be teaching you how to copy a part of a WhatsApp message. How to copy part of WhatsApp message on your WhatsApp chat or in your WhatsApp chat. So this is a full message. You could see that this message is in four paragraphs. Now you tap and then you hold. So when you long press, this will pop up. And to be able to copy a part of the text, you double tap the portion you want to copy and then you drag through to the section you want to copy. Yes, so all you have to do is just double tap and then drag through and then you copy. So you can paste the message anywhere else and then you send or do any necessary adjustment you want to do to the message. So I'd love to repeat the process again. You tap and hold. When you tap and hold, it pop up and then you double tap. Let's go to the next paragraph. You double tap and then you drag through. You drag through. You drag through to select the portion you want to copy. So we've copied and then you paste and you can see it has been pasted. Just that section has been copied. So this is how you can copy just a section from a WhatsApp message and paste. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, share to any friend who's going to find this useful. Make sure you subscribe to this channel as well. Thank you so much for watching once again and catch you up in my next episode.